Hi everyone. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad NAZRUL bin Anes, mathematic number J46160. I'm glad to be here with you all and I want to share with you all about the potential of sweet potato in Malaysia. First of all, let me introduce to you all what is the sweet potato. I'm sure most of you all know what is the sweet potato. Okay, what is sweet potato? Sweet potato is the tuber crop, which locally named as cladet in Malay. Sweet potato is a sweet, starchy root vegetable which grown worldwide. The sweet potato come in many size and varieties. As I'm show here, the color has a many color, which is purple, orange, yellowish, and others color. And the size has also many size, which is long size, round size, and many shapes of the size. Sweet potato rich in vitamin, which is contain high in vitamin A, which promote in the eyes. Vitamin A good for eyes and also has high minerals, antioxidant. As we all know, the antioxidant good in preventing the cell cancer. And the last one is the content in high fiber. High fiber, as we all know, that it's good in digestion system in our body, especially in the intestine. The scientist has found that sweet potato rich of vitamin A. For the topic of my presentation today is the potential of sweet potato in Malaysia. There's two potential that I want to highlight here. The number one is sweet potato is one of the main supplementary food source for Malaysians. And number two, sweet potato contribute towards the import substitution. One of the main supplementary food for Malaysians because it contains high nutritional value which promote good health. For example, high in fiber in sweet potato helps to promote the gut health. Gut health is the intestine system. Intestine system in our digestion system in our body. So it will give the fiber will help in the digestion. And number two, sweet potato contain high antioxidant that helps to protect the body from the certain cancer. As we all know, the antioxidant good in preventing from the cell cancer. Then the next is sweet potato has the great taste. As we all know that sweet potato has good taste, sweet and other taste. For example, sweet potato not only consumed in raw, it also eaten as the healthy snacks. Healthy snacks such example as crepe, crepes, and dessert. Dessert such as in Malay call it the pengat keledek. The number two of the potential is contribute towards the import substitution because sweet potato contain high starch that can produce flour, which then can be substitute the wet flour with the sweet potato flour in bakery and pasta rich product. For example, in the making of the cake, we can use 100%. We can substitute 100% of the wet flour with the sweet potato flour. And then in the making of the muffin, we need 60% of the sweet potato flour and just only 40% of the wet flour. Then in the making of the biscuit, we just need 50% of the wet flour and 50% of the sweet potato flour. Then the sweet potato put an option for the people who have the celiac disease. Celiac disease is the disease for the people who have allergy to the wet gluten. As we all know that wet flour contain high gluten and sweet potato contain no gluten, gluten-free. So whoever have the celiac disease can consume the sweet potato flour. So sweet potato flour has their own target customer, which is who have the celiac disease. In conclusion of my presentation today, I just want to say that sweet potato has a many potential in Malaysia. As I mentioned earlier, that sweet potato has two big potential. The number one is supplementary food source for Malaysians because it contains high in nutrition and has the great taste. The number two, it can be import substitution, which is substitute the wet flour which contain high gluten and we can substitute to the sweet potato flour which contain gluten free. I hope you all enjoy my presentation today. That's all for my presentation today. And I would like to say thank you and we see next again. Bye.